Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create rules in Outlook to move your emails from specific email ID or specific person into the specific folder. So guys, I'm going to show you in this video two methods. That's the method, and this is a step slightly different, but you can understand, you can use as per your requirement. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here I am on Outlook. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the rules. Okay, so go to the home, and here in move section you can see the move rules. So here you can see the two options, create rules and manage rules. So under the manage rules you will see the all rules which if you have created, and you can create new rules from here. You can also change rules. Okay, so I just delete this rule to show you again. You can delete also. So now if you want to create new rules, go to the rules, new rules, and here you can see the option. So you can move message from some to the folder. You can message with a specific word in the subject to the folder. You can also move the message sent to the public group to the folder, flag message from someone for follow-ups, and move arrest item from specific arrest field to folder. So I'm going to show you so we are going to learn here in this video that how you can move specific message or email from someone to the folder. So here just select this option and click on next. Okay, so from peoples and group, so here you can see the option, just click on first link, and here you have to select the email ID. You can switch your email ID from here, contacts from here. If you have contacts from global address and contacts, and you can select the email ID, then email ID come here, or you can also insert the manual email ID. I just enter the manual ID. So I want to move all emails from this email ID to specific person, so I just specific folder, so I just enter the email ID and just click on OK. Then email ID has been applied. Now to apply the folder, just go to the specific here, and here you can select the folder. Okay, or you can create the new folder. Just enter the name, just select the folder where you want to, and just if you want to individual folder, just select your mailbox and type netcast 2. Okay, or whatever you want. So I just create the folder, the individual folder, and you can also create the subfolder of inbox. You have to select the inbox and create the new folder. Okay, so now just select the folder and just click on OK. So you can see the folder has been selected, and uh, the email ID also selected. Now click on next. The two rules I have selected, first email ID people's. Okay, with the specific folder. Okay, now just you can also use filter, like if you want to place specific sound for this mail, or if you want to mark as an important, or want to forward it to people or groups. If you receive this mail from this, you can forward it to another person automatically if you want. Okay, there is a many rules you can use, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can move it. So just click on next. Now you can also make some exceptions if you want, like exception, it has the attachment. Okay, if this email has attachment, you can make it exception, so it will be automatically more in inbox only. Okay, so make exception if you want and go to the next. So this email ID specific name for this rule, this is name. You can change the name if you want, but I keep it email ID only. Now run this rule. Now the on the message is already inbox. So if you want to move your already message which is in your inbox, you can move, and you can apply this rule to this message only. So just click on it and create this rule on all accounts. If you have many accounts, if you have mailbox or more than one mailbox, then you can apply this rule for all account. So I don't want to apply all accounts, so I just untick it, keep it, and just finish it. So you can see the rules has been created and done it. Okay, now just apply and just click on OK. So the rules has been done. You can see this is folder has been created, and here you will see the all message. So I don't have any message from this email ID inbox, and if I receive in future, it will become in this email folder only. Okay. So second method is just select the mail, which mail. If I want to, or if I want to mail from Micromax, I want to move from specific person folder, then I have to select the um, okay, just right click on mail, and here you can see the rules, and just create the rules. So it will be take the by default from Microsoft only. Okay, just tick mark here. Okay, this is your account, and you can go to the advanced. Okay, you can play the sound for this mail, and in advance you will see the other rules and all. Okay, from Microsoft, here you can see the folders. You have to select the folder here. From here you have to create a folder and all. From here you can follow the same process which I show you, okay, in first method, and just go finish. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.